This clamp works for both the brake and the clutch for both sides, and it extends out between the reservoir and the clamp here so that it actually gives the master cylinder support if it gets a knock this way as well to further protect it. Step 1 to fit the master cylinder saver, remove the clamp from your broken master cylinder, but use a 4mm Allen key. You're probably left with something that's broken in some way. If it's got any sharp edges, get a file and just make sure that it's kind of not going to cut you. And then with the top part of the master cylinder saver, put one of the M5 screws through and thread it into the existing hole on the master cylinder. You want to thread it in just until it stops, go back a turn or two, just so it's very loose on there. Take the bottom piece, one of the M4 smaller screws, place this underneath. Then what you want to do, get this threaded in without cross threading it, so just be careful. Take the second screw, same thing. Again, just leave these very loose for now. Take your second M5 bolt and thread that into the top. Again, just so everything's really loose right now. The process for tightening these is the top one here. So what we want to do now is tighten this all the way until it's snug. Then with the two on the bottom, what we want to do is tighten these one at a time and keep going back and forth between them so that we're drawing the clamp together evenly. And again, just tighten these till they're snug. At this point, we can torque this screw and torque these two as well. You should still be able to rotate this on the handlebar. I'm gonna set the angle of the lever where you like it. And then you can tighten this one, the final screw. Tighten it until it'll still move if it gets a knock, so that'll help protect everything here as well if you crash again. This is how to install the master cylinder saver on a bike with an existing clamp, like a new bike, or if you want to just upgrade to the clamps. First of all, take a 4mm Allen key and undo the screw all the way. And it's just press fit into here, so grab something that you can hammer it out with. Okay, so now take your master cylinder and your master cylinder saver, one of the M5 bolts, screw it into the existing hole, screw it down till it's snug, back it off a turn or two. Take the bottom half with one of the M4 screws and get the screw started into the thread in there. Get your second M4 screw. Then you want to grab your second M5 screw, put it through the hole in the back. So now with everything loose, the order to tighten them is the M5 screw on top, and then underneath you want to tighten the two M4 screws, but you want to go between both of them and tighten them evenly so that the clamp sits straight, and then torque these to the torque setting. At this point, you can rotate the lever until you get it to your desired angle, and then tighten it into place using the M5 screw at the rear. And then you want to tighten this until it's tight enough that it won't move, but that if the bike gets a hit, that it'll still rotate.